What up YouTube, it's Jordan08 here and I have this awesome package to unbox for you. So yeah, let's just jump straight in. Live still on me. Yeah, I don't really even know what's in here. So let's just get it open. I've got an idea what's in here, but I'm not 100%. Okay, that's good. Oh, the dong dong. Oh really? Done. I hope the sound's okay because it's too late to go back. Okay, so first of all, we have the Papage HD PVR2 Gaming Edition. I'll do close up to these later. I've got two HDMI cables, so I need some new ones, some paper, and some speakers. And I got some paper. That's it. Put that down now. Okay. Is this important? What's this? There. That's a receipt. And that's a receipt. That's for the PVR speakers cable. Okay, so let's do some close-ups. This is the Papage HD PVR2 Gaming Edition. This is full 1080p on the Xbox, but on PlayStation the HDMI output has been encrypted, so you can't run through this. Basically, so you don't start downloading and recording films in 1080p. So that'll be 1080i on the PlayStation 3, but 1080p on the Xbox 360. Yeah, comes with component cable, HDMI, and the PVR itself. Let's open it. Hope you can see my face.
Can you see?
Okay, so you first open it, that's all you can see. We've got a power AC adapter there. USB to computer. Component cable, very important. Two HDMI. Why did they order two myself? Oh, well. Two. Yeah, two HDMI cables. And not 100% what that is yet, but I'll find out and tell you. And then that's the top bit, that's all wires in that top bit. And then in this bottom bit here, we have the very, very thin Papage HD PVR2 Gaming Edition. If you open this, have a quick look. There it is. Wow, that's quite nice actually. Got a big button on top for start and stop recording. Quite easy. On the back, you've got the power cable for AC power, USB, AV in, which I think this is that one. Ah, it's that one. That one was like, look there. Keep that, bro. Imagine if it broke it. HD in, HDMI in, HDMI out. But look. Countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sure, I'll look at that, I can pause the video. But yeah, that's the HD PVR. Now get a speaker zings. Oh, my face is probably really blurry because I don't think this camera like focuses for some reason. And why am I in front of the table, you know? This is the TV table. Oh, I'm mad, bro. You mad, bro? Just to make sure it's done. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try and do this so you can see. First thing you'll see is the zoom, the manuals. That's the speaker 1, speaker 2. That's quite easy. Yeah, that's good. Speaker 1, speaker 2. I'll open one 2 and show it. Okay, a lot of freaking wires. These wires go into the box. Speaker's pretty sure open this one. Sure open it and have a look. Let's open it and have a look. When the batch falls, pick it back up for that first box open. Wow, that's pretty nice. I don't know if I can say that or not. Okay. On neck. I'll check this thing, which is pretty cool. This would be nice and shiny when I take all this off and move that. Shiny, creative. I'll put all this in the description, what I've got. I'll put it all in the description so you know what I've got, so you can get it yourself. If I have through it anyway, I've not tried it out yet, so. Yeah. This box is freaking huge. There's another 2 speakers in there, I think. Yeah, another 2 speakers in there. I like how this box is laid out, it's quite cool. I can make this box. And this is the subwoofer. This is the naughty subwoofer. Empty box. Empty boxes. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Bye. I can get into it this way. With the microphone way. Don't stop speaker. Do it up. Oh, it's okay. I stopped myself. But, you know, as long as the speaker's okay, it's okay. The speaker's subwoofer. These were, on the website, £80. But on Amazon, I got it for 60, which is quite cool. Hello again, and sorry about that. It went off. Don't know how, don't know why. Yeah, here's a subwoofer. That's what we want. This is the big bassy baby. Bassy baby! Trying to actually open it so we can have a look, but I found it. Bass level. Put that up to max. Speed on the bottom. See that? This should produce some really good lights. Base level switch there, I don't know how you can see this, but base level switch, audio input, so that goes like computer and then the switch. That goes like a computer, etc. etc. This, AC, mains. On off button. So let's have a look at the front. So there it is. The creative subwoofer. Subwoofer T6160 decorated. Speaker on the bottom. So yeah. Got my HDMI. HDMI. I think I've lost my HDMI. I've got a lot of HDMI cables. That's a USB cable. 4 HDMI cables. These are naughty ones, though. I don't know how you can see that, but naughties. Looks like a 10 each. Yeah, the manuals. Not really. I'm not going to bore you with the manuals. So yeah. Think I'm still recording? I am still recording. I hope you enjoyed that. My name has been... Wait, let me take this off first. My name's been Joey to wait, guys, and I hope you like this. Please comment, rate, share, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Now, I've unboxed a nice HD PVR2, the new one. So if you're looking to buy one, then ask me. I'll tell you how it is. Send me a question if I'd like to do like a video response or something. A lightning it fell. Yeah, I'll do like video responses. Send them in to me. I'll respond to them. And if you want to know how to set it up, I'll tell you. And yeah, just let me know what you need to know. I'll help you out. Yeah. My name's Joey08. Follow me on Twitter @Joey08. Facebook, facebook.com/Joey08. And be sure to subscribe. Subscribe, you shall. Yeah. My name's Joey08. My name's been Joey08, and goodbye to your faces. Hope you enjoyed that, everyone. Like up here. Hope you enjoyed that. My name's been Joey08, and be sure to comment, rate, subscribe, like, and share this.